ncheta ọnwụ Celestine Ukwu nakwa nkuzi ihe gbasara egwu ya. A ga-emekwa mmepe foundation ya nke bụ Celestine Ukwu Foundation. Ka anyị gafe ka o si adị.
Let me say two-thirds of Celestine's family, sometime around 1977. Celestine had died. His wife was living under subdued circumstances in a one-room accommodation somewhere along Nigerian Road. So the mother of Cynthia called Cynthia, apparently wanting to breastfeed her. Somebody told me the woman is Celestine Ukwu. I prefer to think that Cynthia never saw Celestine. Is that correct? Yes. So tears welled up in my eyes. I went to this woman and carrying Cynthia, looked at the face, say, "Welcome to our world." It was a very emotional moment.
So my job, the first thing I have to do is to unveil for most of us here who have never really met this wonderful young lady, because most of us never knew that Celestine Ukwu had a child. The wife was pregnant when he died on that fateful day as a result of car accident. And that girl, as a dear brother and justice, who was also at the time president of the Customary Court of Appeals, said that he had the privilege of holding that little girl, even if it was momentarily, that same 1977. So it is my pleasure now to invite this unique lady that has established that saying that Nawai Brife